Greetings, Pelicans. This is Dr. Collins coming to show you how to retrieve the folder on our Google Drive that your contact log is housed. Please know that this is the only contact log that we will be reviewing. You cannot create your own and share with us. We need them all in one place. So you will begin by going to google.com here as we are. When you get there, please make sure that you are logged in with your work email address. If I hover over it, I can see that I'm logged in with my SCC PSS email address. And if I wasn't, I could switch back and forth or add another account. Once you make sure that you're logged in as you in your work email, this here is called a waffle, these 9 dots here. So you click that and you would go to Google Drive. You would go to shared with me. Now, of course, I have lots of information here. You would go to shared with me. That's not where it is for me, but if you go to share with me and once you find it, so for example, this is mine. You can click on star and I'll show you that in a minute, but let me go back to my drive and I am going to share. I have this folder. You don't. You just have your folder. So I have everyone's information here. I'm going to go to mine, just like you would go to yours. In this certificates folder, this is where I have uploaded my Georgia teaching certificate as well as my child abuse training certificate here. These two places in the certificate folder. If you want to go out, you simply click on your name again and it takes you here. Now I'm going to my contact logs. The first thing I want to show you is you can well, first of all, you need the date and your times. That was a severe weather day for Monday. On Tuesday, I clocked in with Chronos, so there's no need for me to write the things that I did. On today, these are the things that I did. I could list them by time, or I could just list them with a comma, everything that I have done today. So if you want to condense it, this is a way that you can condense it. If you want to, the very first thing that I asked you to do is to make a copy of before you start typing on it. And I can go, let me go back. I'm going to go to a blank. Whatever you copy, let me just say, it will copy those words, but you can't erase it. One thing with Google is it automatically saves. So you don't have to look for the save button, it automatically saves. So if you want to make a copy of it, you'll say File, Make a Copy. We're copying this. It's staying in this contact log folder, but we're going to share it with the same people. So please make sure that you're sharing it with the same people so that we can all see what it is that you're typing. And then click OK. And my new copy of a copy is coming up. So now I need to rename this. I'm going to come here, File, and I'm going to click Rename. And remember, we are naming it the month. That Monday will be the 20th _Collins _J. And when you click out of it, it is automatically saved. But please, I think that's the step that we all have forgotten to say or to do. And let's not get upset with the timekeeper. Ms. Maxwell is doing her job. We are not going to be fraudulent with any time. So if she asks you a question or lets you know that she cannot see it, please make sure that she's able to see it, okay? I hope this helps. Remember, it automatically saves. So if I go back to to my contact logs. Here it is. I have 2 for next week waiting on me. Here's another copy. I can just click on it, rename it, that would be that following Monday would be the 17th. Click off of it, and there it is. It's waiting on us. So like I said, I hope this helps. Please, we were lenient today for yesterday's time. I do understand that it was our first day, but let's get to understand Google. If this tutorial was not enough, please do your due diligence and find you some YouTube videos or something that may help you in maneuvering through Google. So let's get our time straight. Make sure that we are accounting for 8 to 4 every day for those that are working virtually. Those that will be in the building tomorrow, you know your staggered time. And if there are any other questions, we'll be happy to assist you on an individual basis. Thank you.